Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in beautiful Barcelona red. In the last video, we did get this sucker lifted 3 inches up off the ground with the beautiful precision cut lift kit from torchoffroad.com. Man, that thing was super slick and super easy to put in. The easiest thing we ever did, I think, except, water around on the floor with stuff. But you know what? Everything's going amazing with this truck, and we don't want to cut it short, because when we lifted that rear end up, we stretched our factory shocks out, and we said, you know what, let's go ahead and get some shocks from Torch Off Road. So we got a pair for the rear. What we're going to do today, we're going to get them stuck on the truck. It's going to be the easiest thing that you would probably ever do to your truck, to put a set of shocks on the rear. So let's check out what Torch sent us here and see what they look like. Check him out there. So easy. I mean, these things are easy to put in. Looks like they maybe sent us a couple of stickers to maybe stick on them. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the truck jacked up. We're gonna get the jack stands put under it. We're gonna get started. We're gonna get it done.